Almost everything about oud takes time. Time to grow it, time to cultivate it, time to extract it, and time to distill it. Oud is definitely, in my opinion, one of the most complex fragrances in all of perfumery. It takes time to understand oud. It takes time to understand the complex aromas that are found in oud. It takes time to really appreciate the nuances that are within this material and the therapeutic benefits of this single source ingredient. It takes time to understand all the different grades that there are within the wood itself, from all the different subspecies to all the different grades of oil that's produced from this, like I say, single source ingredient. It really is one of the world's most unique materials.